lovelies, welcome back to Living Out Loud with Amona Cole. It is officially my last full day in Colombia. I'm very sad about it, but I know this will not be my last time here. I have officially reached this ugly phase of the eyebrows, so y'all stick with me. They go through a peeling process, so this is gonna go on for like the next week or two. So go on and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, y'all, let's go and get this day started. I'm about to go and get dressed. So this how sister happened to take a shower sitting over this thing on the toilet stool because it's too cold. So I'm just sitting here scrubbing away. So I came back upstairs because my tour people are supposed to be here at 8 a.m. It is now almost 9 o'clock. And then they just sent me a message saying, take a taxi to some building. But you ain't give me the dang on address. Like, I'm not a local. I don't just know, okay, this building, local, this, like, no, I need the address. And then now I got to take a Uber. So I know you're giving me some of my money back because it's supposed to be a pickup. Like, they messing up what I had planned for the day because I still need to go into town when I get back. I am now in a taxi headed to the building so that we can get going. It's my first time taking a taxi since being here. I've only been doing Uber, so different. It's my taxi driver. Yeah, so I'll update you on the next step. So I think I am officially ready to just go home because they never picked me up. I had to take a taxi. Then they contacted me at the tour left. So I'm not going. And they're like, oh, well, can you do the afternoon? Well, I already had plans for the afternoon. So now I got to move around and just do some stuff. And it's just frustrating. All I know is they better give me all my money back and still take me on the tour because this is foolishness. Decided to come out and start looking for my flag because, as you all know, I collect flags for every country I visit. Try not to be upset. They did say that they're going to pick me up this afternoon and they will be refunding me all my money, and I'll still be going on the tour. So let's cross our fingers that they keep their word this time. Found one. So I'm going to make the best out of everything that happened. I am actually walking back to my room where I am going to get some reading in and I am going to do some writing and just get my piece back next to the pool until they come get me. So, yeah. We are getting ready to go into the volcano. We just got changed into clothes. Well, you know, I already have my bikini on, but yeah, this is ready. Gotta walk barefoot. Oh my gosh, this thing is so hot. Walking up these stairs, y'all.
Fotos para los dos.
Next.
Down that mountain just.
We are all done. Got a chance to bathe in the river and oh gosh, my glasses are doing too much. Still got mud on them. But got a chance to bathe in the river and it was absolutely amazing. They didn't take our phones down there, so I couldn't get any footage of that. But sis could say for the first time she went skinny dipping in the river. It was like so amazing. So I'm gonna show you all this view from the volcano and then we're gonna get ready to head back to Cartagena. But this was an amazing way to end the day, like, or even just the trip. It was relaxing. Definitely recommend. Volcano. Y'all, them stairs was death. To the area. Food. Last sunset in this beautiful city and country. I don't know if I ever showed y'all like what's down below. I am absolutely gonna miss this view, but I will be back. Thank you all for following this journey along with me this past week. It has been absolutely amazing. Tomorrow I head back home, but before heading back home, I'm going to do some more exploring since I don't leave until 4 p.m. And I'll make sure to share those travels back to the US with you all and through that customs process. I appreciate you all. Love, light, and